Alright home cooks, today I'm showing you how to make the perfect cassava cake right in your own kitchen. No fancy skills needed. First, let's talk ingredients. I use grated cassava, about 2 pounds for a medium tray. You can get it fresh or frozen. Then I mix in 1 can of creamy coconut milk, 1 can of sweet condensed milk, and half a cup of sugar. Crack in 2 eggs, give them a good beat, and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. This combo is where all that rich, gooey goodness comes from. Pour everything into a big bowl and mix until it's totally smooth. Don't rush this part. That batter should look glossy and even with no lumps. Grab a baking tray, lightly grease it, and pour in the mix. Smooth the top, and now it's ready for the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes, until it's set but not brown. Here's my favorite part. Pull out the cake, sprinkle a generous layer of grated cheese on top, and pop it back in for another 15 minutes until the cheese melts into a golden, bubbly crust. Let it cool a bit before you slice. Trust me, it smells amazing, but it's hot. Each bite is chewy, creamy, and just the right amount of sweet. If you want to wow friends at your next family gathering, this cassava cake is the way to go. Tag me if you try it, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy home recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy baking!